Welcome. Today I will have a look at the channel called UN-common Sense, link in the description. Okay, let's roll.
Flat Earth Proof 19. Revisiting the level. If the Earth were indeed a ball, then the horizon would always appear to curve significantly around you, even at sea level. It can easily be shown, however, to be otherwise by holding a level or even a straight edge against the horizon line of any ocean or large enough lake.
Okay, too easy to debunk. You flat earthers have no sense of the scale. You don't understand how incredible big the Earth is.
Furthermore, distant objects such as buildings, mountains, and hot air balloons would all appear to gradually lean backwards away from you the farther away they were, following the curvature of the ball Earth. In fact, as a hot air balloon progresses farther away, it should lean over so that you begin to see the bottom of its basket while the top of the balloon tips away from you.
Okay, the same problem once more. The Earth is so big so you don't see this, that the things are leaning, they are too far away.
While one favorite alleged proof for the ball Earth is the claim that a ship's hull will disappear from view first as it travels out on the ocean, this claim actually proves otherwise, when, with a simple telescope, one can zoom in onto the ship and bring the hull back into view. This is because of the laws of perspective and how a vanishing point works, not due to the ball Earth's curvature.
Okay, one more claim that is complete bullshit. Why do you don't see the bottom of these buildings then? Explain that. Good luck. Additionally,
water always exhibits a flat surface, no matter how large the body of water, with the Bedford level experiment probably the most well-known experiment, which itself can in fact be repeated on any lake or canal, really. In this experiment, a boat carrying a flag 5 feet above the water sailed the 6-mile stretch across the canal. At the other end, a telescope 8 inches above the water was able to maintain sight of the flag, despite supposed to have been hidden behind an arc of water 6 feet high on the ball Earth.
Okay, one more flat Earth classic. But why don't we have a look at Jeranism and his experiment on this topic?
We have a backup experiment. If you're seeing through this hole, through the next hole, and seeing the light at the backboard or at 17 feet off the water, the Earth is flat. If he's holding it up at 23 feet high and we're seeing the light, well, that's because the Earth's curved. So I should only be able to see it when it's at 17 feet. Okay, go ahead and drive down there, Enrique. You're going to hold the light there. Enrique, how high is your light?
17 feet.
I mean, it's as... we don't see you, Enrique. Lift up your light way above your head. Interesting.
Strange. Didn't work for him either. Wonder why.
Another similar experiment was conducted in which 5-foot flags were placed at 1-mile intervals along a shoreline. When viewed from one end through a scope, all flags lined up in a straight line, as expected on a flat plain Earth. So investigate the subject for yourself and ask questions.
One more classic, and very easy to debunk. This is Skrova Lighthouse in Lofoten, Norway. It's 49 meters high, and the mountain behind is 900 meters high. Can you explain that? Okay, that was all for today. A very quick debunk video. Working on several new videos, will be back soon. Have a nice day, bye.